Yeah, yeah, you did that. Oops, you good. I love you. Always getting into something. What are you doing? Hey, what you doing? Hey, that's mine. Mine, give me. Oh, I didn't say I was picking you up. That's my paper. Tata. Tata. Love you. I ain't say kiss the paper. Throw me a kiss. Throw me a kiss. Okay, you want to fight. Oh, now you want me. You can have it. Once you get it, come on. You can get it. Come on, come on, come on. Come to mommy. Come on. No, stand up. Up straight like a pencil. Come on. Come on. Put your hands out. Come on. Come on. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, I'm finna cry. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, you can grab mommy. Oh my God, my baby's walking. Come on, stick a mama, come on. Yay. I'm finna. She walking. Bro. 10 months old and she understands instructions. You don't want to do it yet? Tell her to make the face. It's a certain face that she makes. Look, guys. Make the face.
Okay, she's like, oh yeah, it's fine, you can just explore.
Now she don't want to do it for the camera.
Make the face.
I wanna leave Raymond in room.
Look, step outside. Oh, what is she? Go, baby. Your toy fell. Your toy fell. Really? She thought about hitting them. Now she FaceTiming and talking on the phone. This little girl thinks she's something.
Jurnee.
Who you talking to?
Go like this, look.
The pants that go. Is that the Jurnee? Are those the pants that go to your shirt? Well, you were trying to tell me what you got to say about that. Is that yours? Get the pants. Come on, let's go. Come on. Y'all ain't gonna believe. Y'all see this sucker? Now it has paper on it. She had another one and she got the paper off, guys. It's crazy. She said,
Oh, wrong part, baby.
This is the one she opened. So she didn't feel like opening this one, but she's just turned 11 months. This girl opening that stuff. I cannot believe it. Jurnee!
You need to wipe your face.
Grandbaby gets her hair combed with her legs crossed. Yeah, show them how long your hair is, girl. Look at that hair, y'all. Pull that ponytail out. Oh, look at that. Okay, let me let her get through. Get it, Jay. You see that dropped off.
Okay, where you taking it to? Just tell me, where you taking it to?
Look.
And how does that show up in this one?
Who is that? You gonna go put it back? Good girl. Put it back.
He does what he can.
Come on, I'm right here. Come on.
He does have
You're not supposed to mess with that. Yeah, don't mess with that. You don't mess with that. What that mean? Get your bread off my floor. Jurnee got her hair done. Now y'all seen the braid. You picking your hair, Mom?
You like Dora the Explorer. Wait, y'all. Okay.
Take it off.
So, Jurnee got her hair done. You like your hair? Oh, she's taking it off. You like your hair, Jurnee? Oh. You like your hair, Mama? So, look. Say, okay, guys. If y'all want your hair done, you can get it in the braids.
Hello.
You can get the... And you can get this. One low style.
That's a Barbadora.
Come on.
That's a Barbadora. So that's my grandma's wig. That's your new hairstyle, Jurnee. Girl, your mama gonna get you about her wigs. Are you always going in my purse?
Slowly.
There she goes, y'all. Y'all know she do it. Told you. And then she's up. That baby there, little daredevil. And she laughing. Where you going? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now get away.
Hey, girl, son. Jurnee! She's looking for her mom.
She in the restroom.
She's taking a shower.
She in there.
You just talk noise? Get my
What
box.
happened when you come home?
My box. What are you doing, Jurnee? Look, she wants to flip, guys. Okay, do her. Let her do her flip. Okay, let her go down on her own under command. Let her do it at command.
Go.
There she goes, guys. She's so smart. She's just turned 1, not even a week ago.
Push off. Come on.
Go, Jurnee. Woohoo! All right.
Yeah. High five.
Wow.
High five. Come on, give mommy high five. Come on. Come on, you want to try it? Thank you.
Wow. Look at that.
Thank
That baby's
ya.
smart. Yo.
Yeah. This is the stage where
Oh.
she's doing everything. She's copying everybody.
Look, she wants to do flips, guys.
No, I'm
when
tired.
she goes back, yeah. She wants
I know
to do
y'all
a
see
flip.
this right here.
Yeah. She want to do flips. Oh. She's talking about it. She cheering. Go, Jurnee. Woo!
Say go, Gigi. Yay. Go, Gigi.
Yes.
Yay. Go, Gigi. You won.
Nope, she don't want to do it. She want to flip. Look. I just want to rub and grab my leg. Ah, that's my baby. Ah, that's my baby. Ah, what that mean? You upset? You want to talk about it?
Where it go? Bye-bye.
Suck your finger. Get it off your finger. Get it off your... This girl done climbed in this tree.
Look at that foot. Look at that foot.
Wow.
Come on.
Oh, now you want somebody to get you out. So therefore... Let me see. Come on. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, go. Now you want somebody to help you. Nobody helped you get in there.
Get on the wheel. Now give it in. Jaden, come get her, Jaden. Like a mama.
Oh, she did her shoulder like, Jurnee. Ta-ta. Give it here. Y'all, she be trying to run. Ah, look, she trying to pull away. Yeah, she's strong. Look, she... Yeah. Don't be snatching away from my mama. Don't snatch away from my mama.
The bus. Look at the bus. Bus. See the bus?
You see that? But like where? She looking like where? Look, she pulling
Come
away.
on, come on. Come on. Come on. You better not be trying to fight nobody.
Stop being mean to my mama.
I'm gonna catch her when she's...
Look, just all into stuff. What are you doing? You went and got it?
No!
Get that out your mouth. No, no. Well, you don't talk crazy to me. You don't talk crazy to me. I don't care about you being mad. I don't care. No. No, no. Jurnee. Y'all look at them legs. She gonna go get her. She do too. Get up from there.
Look at the truck. Look at the truck.
Look, she trying to prove a point. She gonna get another one. You ain't gonna go clean your nose. Tub, Jurnee, that's not good. Yeah, yeah, you did that. Oops, you gonna rip through your clothes? You mad? You got attitude? You got attitude? What?